Main entrance, drawing room area, this is hand wash area with common bath. Guest bedroom, this is big spacious fully ventilated lobby area with attached dedicated puja room, attached marble temple. This is master bedroom with attached TV unit, windows, sliding wardrobe, attached master bed bathroom with mid partition. Children bedroom with wardrobes, dressing, attached study table cabinets, attached children bathroom. This is big balcony with French door, mosquito mesh attached in all balcony. Balcony facing play area, central stage, greenery all around. Kitchen with modular attachment, chimney, utility wash area with attached sink, RO, outside cabinet, utility facing play area, central stage and central society park.